In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. It is the 7th of January 2022. It was Friday. It is Friday, 8:35 p.m. 8:35 p.m. I To begin from last night, I slept at around 11 o'clock or maybe somewhere between 11 to 11:30 p.m. Woke up at this morning. I woke up at around Azane Fajr. It took some time to leave the bed. Rather, there are certain one or two things which I want to mention about the night between 6 6th of January and the 7th of January. I slept well, Alhamdulillah, except that I had to wake up thrice for urination. And it was raining, light rain, maybe for the during the whole of the night because it is raining for the past 3 days or so. Woke up at Fajr, then I did not sleep and remained busy on my cell phone. What is the uses of cell phone? It is a WhatsApp and it is so. On WhatsApp, I don't use the WhatsApp to kill the time, not for the entertainment, rather certain informations to gain and certain good things, reformative stuff like the translation of Quran or certain other things to share and to forward in certain in the groups, in the WhatsApp groups. Then it was quite a wastage. It took a good amount of time. I ate breakfast maybe earlier than 8 or so. Eaten the breakfast. I ate the salan curry left, which was there in the refrigerator. Then again I got busy on the WhatsApp and so. WhatsApp consumes quite a lot of time for me. I rather consume quite a lot of time on the WhatsApp with the purpose of sharing the good stuff, the religious stuff, the reformative stuff. Then I recorded uh, then I recorded my two speeches, one topic, one topic in two speeches, one in Urdu and one in English. I became busy in designing an advertisement for the past on previous Sunday too. I had advertised in the in the Daily Jung, Rawalpindi, Rawalpindi Sunday Classified. I put an ad of matrimonials like the marriage bureaus, and I mentioned the name there as Gosha Darvish previous Sunday. So this day on Friday, I had to design an advertisement on the which will be advertised on the coming Sunday, mean the day after tomorrow, mean 9th of January 2022, Sunday, Daily Junk Sunday Classified Matrimonial. Then it took quite a lot of time. Then I designed one thing, then I changed it, then I changed it. It took some time, and it was raining. I spoke to the agent in Islamabad who takes my advertisements, whom I give my advertisements. I told him that I shall go to the market and there I shall send you the payment of this advertisement through Jazz Cash. I had to send him 550 rupees only for the 3 line advertisement. I had gone there on my return from there since it was raining. So I thought earlier I wanted to walk in the rain. Then I thought why not to go home and to cook some special food for the rainy day. I thought that chicken tikka would be okay. Although I don't have a coal and other stuff. Then I bought chicken. It took some time. I brought it home. I cleansed it. I put it, you know, on the stove, and it was 1:30 p.m. when I made an ablution at home, mean preparation for the sake of Jummah prayer, for the sake of Friday prayer. I had gone to the nearby mosque, the nearest mosque, for the sake of Jummah prayer. After the Jummah prayer, after the Friday prayer, I wanted to walk in the rain. I was wearing a sort of coat fire, which was waterproof. I walked for almost 1 hour, 55 minutes, and the whole time which it took, mean the prayer plus the walking in the rain, maybe it was 1.25 hours or so, maybe 70 minutes or so. I returned from there, then I got busy in cooking the food and baking the bread on the tawa. So I ate my food, prepared first, ate my food, then only after a short while there was the Asr prayer time. I said the Asr prayer. After the Asr prayer again, what did I do? I remained at home because it was raining outside. I did not go outside and I remained busy on my cell phone. WhatsApp, Twitter, a very little amount of time on the Facebook, little amount on the YouTube. I remained busy till Maghrib prayer. Slightly earlier than the Maghrib prayer, I took my tea and then I remained in my bed for some time, even after the Maghrib, Azan Maghrib. I felt lazy and wanted to stay in the bed, but I thought that I should do something. I should complete my routines, fulfill my routines. I had to say the Maghrib prayer. I then went out to get a kind of credit from a cell phone. There are two SIMs in my cell phone. Both are of U phone. One SIM which contains my package phone, mean I pay the load of 600. I buy the package of 600 per month. So it is much more than what I need. But the good thing is that I won't be interrupted it will not happen like I need to make a call and there is no balance in it because I forgot to get the balance. So that is why in my number one SIM, I keep the 600 monthly package, while in the other SIM which I had just bought for the sake of advertisement in the Daily Jang, I got a load of 50 rupees from the nearby shop, Pakiza shop. I came back. Then I started preparing for the Maghrib prayer, urinating, waiting. I did a bit of exercise for the sake of cardiovascular health because I'm feeling some sort of trouble. A little bit, a very mild level stage of trouble. I feel like this one slightly burden some and discomfort on the left side of my chest. So I feel like I did a bit of exercise, then I made an ablution, I said the prayer. Only after a short while there was the Asha prayer time as well. I said the Asha prayer as well. After saying the Asha prayer, I went to the kitchen. I prepared my meal. The the salan was already prepared, and I had to bake the atta. The flour was already also prepared. Simply I had to put a chapati in the tawa and had to had to make the food the salan hot in the frying pan. I did the two of these. I ate my lunch, my dinner, my supper. I brushed my teeth. Then there were small feet rather. I have bought maybe 10 days back, maybe 10 days back, a very big quantity of it. Although I had paid only 1000 rupees, and against 1000 I bought 12 small size oranges, 12 pulleys, 12 pulleys of very small size oranges. These, it seems, these are an and it is very odd to finish because I was of the view that the family of my late brother will be getting the juice out of it, but they are not uninterested. They people are very ease loving people. They don't want to do the hard work. They don't know maybe that this cheap stuff is containing the same benefit which the expensive oranges does, but they are not cooperative, unfortunately, and they are not so sensible. They are not even so responsible. So they used very little of it actually. So I ate orange juice. I cut it with a knife, one orange into four pieces. I ate some of these. Then again, I brushed my teeth for the second time after the dinner, after the supper. And I'm just finished now. I'm sitting here recording, putting it, handing it over to the YouTube, whatever I did in the past 24 hours or so. Thank you. Jazakallah. There was no meeting with anyone else today. I did not meet anybody else today. And there was no phone discussion on the phone either with any of my friends. So that is how I spent my day. Thank you, Jazakallah.